Question number 1. HIV virus basically consists of, and the answer is option C, single-stranded RNA. Second, which of the following is the infection caused in lower respiratory tract? Answer is bronchiolitis. Question number 3. Today is a answer. Question number C, contraceptive. 4. Ascorbic acid is, it is a vitamin. Option B. Question number 5. Drug of choice for treatment of filariasis is, the answer is option D, diethyl carbamazine citrate. Question number 6. Which of the following is the best diagnostic test for detecting the peptic ulcer? And the answer is option D, endoscopy. Question number 7. Edwards syndrome is related with, and the answer is option A, trisomy of chromosome number 18. Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of chemical disinfectant? And the answer is option C, bleaching powder. Question number 9. Fluid choice for treatment of hypovolemic shock in burn patient is, and the answer is option B, Ringer lactate. 10. Which of the following infection is transmitted through blood transfusion? And the answer is option number D, all of the above. Means viral hepatitis, hepatitis B, malaria, cytomegalovirus, all are transmitted by blood transfusion. Question number 11. Uterine inertia is, and the answer is option B, disordered uterine contraction. Question number 12. How much noise may cause mechanical damage? And the answer is question A, and the answer is option A, 150 decibel. Question number 13. Which of the following is prescribed by psychiatry and regarded as a minor tranquilizer? And the answer is option C, anti-anxiety drug. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a component of National Rural Health Mission? And the answer is option C, under 5 clinic. Question number 15. Formaldehyde and ethylene oxide are example of, and the answer is option C, chemical gas disinfectant. Question number 16. Tocolytic drug are such drug which, and the answer is option C, reduce the uterine motility. Question number 17. Putting a bitter substance on the nails of kids who used to bite, it is example of which of the following therapy? And the answer is option B, aversion. Question number 18. Spirit should not be applied at the place where the vaccine has to be injected because, and the answer is option C, it may damage live organism available in the vaccine. Question number 19. Which of the following vitamin is the most sensitive to effect of heat? And the answer is option B, vitamin C. Question number 20. Alarming value of GCS requiring ICU admission is, and the answer is option D, 8. Question number 21. Airway manual to open airway recommended in trauma patient is, and the answer is option D, means B and C, chin lift and jaw thrust. Question number 22. Which observation in the newborn of a diabetic mother would require immediate nursing intervention? And the answer is option C, jittering movement. Question number 23. Patient is admitted to labor and delivery unit in active labor. During examination, the nurse notes a popular lesion on the perineum. Which initial action is most appropriate? And the answer is option B, report the finding to the doctor. Question number 24. Patient is admitted for treatment of migraine headache. The drug sumatriptan succinate is prescribed for the patient. Which of the following in the patient's history should be reported to the doctor? And the answer is option B, angina. Question number 24. The head circumference of a normal infant is, and the answer is option C, 33 to 35 centimeter. Question number 26. What is the normal pulse rate per minute of an infant? And the answer is option C, 120 to 160 beats per minute. Question number 27. What will you do first? And for question number 27 and 30, read the following carefully. A 25 years old male comes to the emergency department in comatose condition. His breathing is labored, pulse 126 per minute, BP 82 per 44 mm of Hg. His pupil is unequal. And question number 27. What will you do first? And the answer is option A, airway management. In above patient, IV fluid of immediate choice will be, and the answer is option C, ENS, normal saline. Question number 29. After some time, above patient develop a cardiac arrest. What is the best place to check the pulse? And the answer is option C, internal carotid artery. Question number 30. The same scenario, at what rate chest will be compressed and what will be the rate of ventilation in the same patient? And the answer is option D, 30:2. The next, question number 31. A patient of road traffic accident present with BP 76 by 34 mm of Hg, pulse 133, he is conscious and oriented. Only injury observed was a fracture of long bone of a right leg with profusely bleeding wound. What immediate action should be taken? And the answer is option number C. Stop bleeding by using the tourniquet in thigh. Question number 32. A patient with a depressed consciousness has lab report blood sugar is 586 mg per dl, urine ketone 3 plus. Which IV fluid is preferable? And the answer is option A, NS. Question number 33. Malaria is caused by? And the answer is option C, hepatitis E. And the answer is option C, protozoa. Question number 34. A patient was diagnosed as a case of. Question number 34. Example of transmission of disease through blood are following except. And the answer is option C, hepatitis E. Question number 35. A patient was diagnosed as a case of pulmonary tuberculosis. He was started anti-tuberculosis therapy. He complains of a red color urine. What to do? And the answer is option D, counseling of the patient. Question number 36. A patient of hemorrhagic shock requires a blood transfusion. His blood group is B positive. Blood bank informed that following blood group is available. Which blood can be used? And the answer is option D, O positive. The Heimlich maneuver means abdominal thrust is used for a patient who has. And the answer is option B, blocky airway. Question number 38. 1 teaspoon contains how much ml? And the answer is option B, 5 ml. For infection prevention, what will you do? And the answer is option C, hand wash before and after patient care. Question number 40. What will you do for the prevention of pressure sore in unconscious patient? And the answer is option A, soft bed. Question number 41. Transmission of hepatitis A virus is by? And the answer is option B, infected food and water. Question number 42. Transmission of tuberculosis is by? And the answer is option C, airborne. Question number 43. Transmission of cancer is by? And the answer is option D, none of the above. Question number 44. Transmission of typhoid is by? And the answer is option B, infected food and water. Question number 45. What is the most important step to abort the sickle cell crisis? And the answer is option C, hourly offering water to drink. And the question 46. Patient has not passed urine in last 24 hours. It is termed as. Answer is option A, anuria. Question number 47. There is 10 to 15 pus cells in RE of urine. What it indicates? And the answer is option C, urinary tract infection. Question number 48. 40 years old lady has increased the frequency of urine in a night. What does it indicate? And the answer is option A, patient is a diabetic. Question number 49. Patient has chronic kidney disease. He has been advised continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis. Where it should be done? And the answer is all of the above. Question number 50. Patient is on thyroxine. What is the cheap and the best way to monitor the drug dose? And the answer is option D, none of the above. Question number 51. Total number of vertebra in sacrum. And the answer is option C, 5. Question number 52. Total number of vertebra in thoracic region. And the answer is option A, 12. Question number 53. Water soluble vitamin are vitamin. And the answer is option C, B. Question number 54. Cerebral malaria is caused by? And the answer is option B, Plasmodium falciparum. Question number 55. In which disease blood does not clot? And the answer is option C, hemophilia. Question number 56. Filaria is transmitted by? And the answer is option B, Culex. Question number 57. Normal sodium level in blood is? And the answer is option C, 135 to 155 milli equivalent per liter. Question number 58. In ECG, V1 electrode is placed in which intercostal space? And the answer is option D, fourth intercostal space. Question number 59. Alcoholic patient presented to you in unconscious state. What will you give? And the answer is option B. Question number 60. A 60 years old patient come to the hospital in emergency with acute gouty arthritis and immediate nursing intervention would be 2. And the answer is to relieve the pain. Question number 61. A nurse is teaching a group of patients regarding prevention of foot ulcer. Which of the following she should be emphasized in teaching? And the answer is option A. Wash and inspect all surface of feet daily. Question number 62. All are true about the sign of fetal death in early pregnancy except, and the answer is D. Fetal heart detection in ultrasonic scanner. Question 63. Cystic proliferation of chronic epithelium is known as, and the answer is option A. Hydatid-form mole. Question number 64. Vomiting persists throughout the day and woman's health becomes impaired is known as, and the answer is option C. Hypermassive gravidarum. Question number 65. Serious signs and symptoms of preeclampsia are, and the answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 66. Effect of polyhydramnios in pregnancy is, and the answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 67. Which drug can be given in empty stomach? And the answer is C. Both thyroxine and pantoprazole. Question number 68. Sequence of basic life support is, and the answer is option B. CAB. Compression airway breathing. Question number 69. Best route of giving the adrenaline during the cardiopulmonary resuscitation in adult is, and the answer is option C. Central vein. Question number 70. Fluid of choice in head injury patient is, and the answer is option C. NS normal saline. The next is section B. Total 30 questions are there. Question number 1. As per the latest report by ISFR, the total forest and tree cover area of India is how much of its geographical spread? And the answer is option B. Less than 25%. Question number 2. Surya Kiran XIV is a joint military exercise between, and the answer is option C. India and Nepal. Question number 3. Who is presently the Chief of Army Staff of India? And the answer is option B. Shri Manoj Mukunda Naravane. Question number 4. Government is planning to establish India's first maritime museum at which of the following place? And the answer is option D. Lothal. Question number 5. 16th November 2019 was celebrated as. Question number 6. Which of the following is a subject matter of 124th Constitutional Amendment Bill? And the answer is option B. 10% quota reservation to economically weaker section of forward caste in higher education and government jobs. Question number 7. Who among the following is one of the author of the book Poor Economics? And the answer is option B. Abhijit Banerjee. The following film is not an official entry from India for Oscar in international film category. And the answer is option C. Kesari. Question number 9. Maternal mortality rate of India is released by which of the following office? And the answer is option A. Office of Registrar General of India. Question number 10. Which is E-Dant Seva? And the answer is option A. A mobile application launched by AIMS in collaboration with the Health Ministry. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a category for which Nobel Prize is awarded? And the answer is option C. Mathematics. Question number 12. Which word has been declared a Hindi word of the year 2019 by Oxford Dictionary? And the answer is question number 13. A company Phoenix Medical System is related to which of the following? And the answer is B. India's first indigenously designed standing wheelchair. Question number 14. Which of the following social media platform has unveiled a preventive health tool on 9/10/2019 that connects the people to health resources and send the checkup reminder? And the answer is option A. Facebook. Question number 15. How many CPSUs have got the status of Maharatna at present? And the answer is option D. 10. Question number 16. Who among the following have been awarded with the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2019? And the answer is option B. Bajranga Punia. Question number 17. गत माह हम ताजमहल देखने जाएंगे इस वाक्य में अशुद्धि है? एंड द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. काल संबंधी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. इहलोक का विपरीतार्थक शब्द है? एंड द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. परलोक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. विच स्टेट हैज become the first in the country to issue the highest number of golden cards under the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana? on 26/9/2019? And the answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 20. Project Sangam of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is related to which of the following? And the answer is option A, Swachh Bharat Mission. Question number 21. India's rank in Human Development Index 2019 is, and the answer is question number 22. Which of the following was the theme of International Conference in Yoga held in Mysore, India? And the answer is option A, Yoga for Heart Care. Question number 23. Ajit has a certain average for 9 innings. In the 10th inning, he scored 100 runs, hereby increasing the average by 9 runs. His new average is, and the answer is option C, 28. Question number 24. It was Sunday on January 1, 2006. And what was the day of the week? January 1, 2010. And the answer is option C, Friday. Question number 25. Two buses start from bus terminal with a speed of 20 km per hour at an interval of 10 minutes. What is the speed of man coming from the opposite direction towards the bus terminal if he meet the bus at interval of 8 minutes? And the answer is option C, 5 km per hour. Question number 26. An accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Through how many degree will be the hour hand rotated when the clock shows 2 o'clock in the afternoon? And the answer is option D, 180 degree. Question number 27. A and B are brother, C and D are sister. A is the son. A's son is D's brother, and how is B related to C? And the answer is option C, uncle. Question number 28. In a certain code, fire is coded as a DGPC. What will be the last letter of coded word for short? And the answer is option B, R. Question number 29. In the series 2, 6, 18, 54, dash what will be the 8th term? And the answer is option B, 2, 4, 3, 7, 4. Question number 30. A man walks 1 kilometer to east and then he turns to south and walks 5 kilometers. Again he turns to east and walks 2 kilometers. After this he turns to north and walks 9 kilometers. How far is he from his starting point? And the answer is option C, 5 kilometers.